To say two-factor authentication is important is an understatement, but why is it important and when should you use it? In this episode of Tech 101, we're going to discuss all of this. Hi, my name is Connor, I'm a network infrastructure and cloud computing major in college, and in this video, we're discussing 2FA. Alright, so what is 2FA and why should you use it? Well, 2FA is two-factor authentication. You should use it when you're signing into an account that has critical data or banking details. It adds a layer of security, it reduces the risk of lost/breach data, it reduces the amount of users you have on an account because you'll be able to verify everyone with your phone number and you'll know when someone tries to sign into your account. 2FA can be set up through your Google account or through whatever account it is. We're going to use Google as our example today. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into your Google account settings, you're going to go into security, you're going to go into 2FA, and you're going to go through the steps that they give you. It could be very simple 2FA that you set up, or it could be complex. You could use the Google Authenticator app, or you could use your phone number or another email. Now, the most common form of 2FA is your phone number. However, this can be very dangerous. There has been cases in the past where some people, specifically influencers, have had their phone numbers stolen, and that's how 2FA can be fooled. However, Apple is the most secure form of 2FA. They have it so that your iOS device or macOS device must be linked to an Apple ID. And because of this linking, your phone will ping your iPad if you try to sign in to an Apple ID on your phone, or a Mac will ping your iPad when you try to sign into your iMac Apple ID. And that's how Apple 2FA works. It's pretty simple, easy to understand, and it's pretty critical. And that is two-factor authentication. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, comment down below, or join the Discord. My name is Connor, and I'll catch you next one. Goodbye.